The model that we have chosen is M3 Cinematic Realism, and I'll click on generate. It'll take a minute or two maximum, and Do you remember the craze that we had when 360-degree images came on Facebook? People were spinning their phones around like it was VR. It felt immersive, magical. But back then, creating something like that wasn't easy. You needed a 360-degree camera or sophisticated tools which could stitch images together, hoping it would all line up properly. But what if you could generate an immersive 360-degree image with just a prompt? Welcome to the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge, day 161. Today, we are exploring Skybox AI, a tool that lets you create immersive 360-degree environment with just simple prompts. So, let's explore. To begin, go to skybox.blockadalapps.com. I've already created my account, but just sign up with the same old process of Google, and you can use the model that you want. Okay, this looks like Dubai in the AI world, right? I'm looking for more natural scene, something like this one, and we can give a prompt. Okay, here they've already added the prompt which generated this particular image, but I've copied my prompt, which I'm going to add now. A calm alpine lake with pine trees, snowy mountains reflecting on the water. Now, we can also include negative text. What does negative text mean? It means these items, whatever is mentioned in negative text, will not be included in the image that is getting generated. So for example, we have mentioned no car, no people, no person, no man, no woman, right? Like we have mentioned car, people, person, man, woman, which means it should not be included because it is a negative text. You can also use enhance prompt just to enhance the prompt that we have already given and not include that. Okay, the model that we have chosen is M3 Cinematic Realism, and I'll click on generate. It'll take a minute or two maximum, and it'll generate a 3D image based on the prompt that we have given. Let's see what is the output that we get. It's taking slightly longer than it generally takes, but I'll promise you it's worth the wait. Okay, so here you go, and this is a 360-degree view, right? It looks so natural. Okay, they have added their watermark on the top and at the bottom. Wow, I wish I could have been in this place right now. Anyways, so you can download it, but it requires subscription. The good part is they give you a sample of how the 3D image looks like. It's not the image that you have generated, but just a sample that they have generated before. Now, if you want to remix this image with something else, then you can go to remix and add your prompt and use whatever models you want and click on remix. I generally do not like to mix two things, and I'll leave it as is, but you can give it a try. And that's how easy it is to create 360-degree views with just AI. This tool is especially beneficial for those who wants to create immersive visuals, like game designers, filmmakers, or those of you who wants to explore new tools. You don't need a camera, you don't need a sophisticated software. All you need is a very basic prompt, and Skybox will do the rest. So go ahead, give it a try, and if you like it, share it with those who are exploring new tools for 3D visuals. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.